Now we're talking. Now this is a tuned bike. Well, this is a little unusual. Welcome to the channel. I'm already at the shop. I filmed the little, cold start that I usually film on the bike, and after that I went on the ride and I clicked, and GoPros sometimes malfunction and it just wouldn't want to record, wouldn't want to turn on any of that. So I came here, reset the GoPro, and that's why we're filming the intro right now. So welcome everyone back to the channel, back with another video with the V4R. If you guys didn't see in the last videos I did with this bike, the bike got like a base map tune to take off that check engine light and have it running better, but it's not like actually fully tuned yet. So that's what we're going to do right now. That's why we're here. I also have a few more parts that I would like to show you guys that are gonna get put on this bike. Little simple things here and there. We have carbon fiber, other side sprocket cover, so this is going to be dry carbon. We also have titanium axle nut, I believe is what it's called, this one, and this one is for the front, the little one. They're both full titanium. I got silver to match with the tank. I don't want to be too basic and just get all black. I want it to be a little different. And we have titanium bolts as well right here. Sadly, I messed up. I didn't get this shape. The shape does look better in my opinion. I got just a regular hex, I guess. I don't know what you even call that shape, but yeah, I didn't get the star. I got this, but still those stuff are like so light. It's all titanium. Honestly, I don't really care about with weight savings, but titanium is better quality and it looks better, so that's the goal. So we're gonna put these parts on. Actually, I got one more I think that I can't find anymore, unless it's right here. Spacers. So these are gonna, so I can take this off, and you see the silver right here is going to be red, just a little bit flare of red goes with the Brembos, and this is going to come off, and same thing, that's going to replace it obviously on both sides. Just little stuff, nothing really major. I do have a lot more carbon fiber that is sitting at home, such as the front sprocket cover, this piece right here, which is a pain in the ass because the bolts are actually on the inside. The tank literally has to be lifted off just to get this piece to match this piece. And I also have this, the alternator covering carbon, and that's all I can remember for now. Carbon and little things here and there, titanium. Keys are right there. You just need the helmet. You have a helmet, right? Yeah, mine is not running the best. I have like a huge flat spot down low and have like 2 dips at the top that I definitely feel. 195. No way. Yeah. No way. I'm dead serious. Dude, yeah, something is wrong, because in the first run we did, it did 184. And we're like, what the hell, there's something wrong. We did no adjustments, literally just kept running it, and it went up to 195. Dude, it's confusing.
I was hoping at least like 205.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying like stock, it should have done 195 with a stock exhaust and stock everything. So
I've never seen a stock one run on a dyno.
Yeah, but like they claim stock like 220 something crank.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so the wheel, that's about like 195. Yeah. Let's see when it's done with the tuning and all that. All right. Thank you. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is dark AF, as you guys can see. I don't even know if you guys can actually see, but yeah, it's like pitch black because it took us forever to finish tuning this bike. What is going on in there? But it's cold and it's dark, but it's all worth it because as you guys saw, the bike made technically 207 but also technically 210. So 207, 210, whatever you guys want to call it, that's a lot of power. And I'm saying technically 207 or 210 because it did 207 on like just the regular fifth gear runs, and then we did one run that was like going through gears, just like if you were racing, and it did 210 on that run. Well, 209 point like something up there. She is tuned, the graph looks amazing, and I am excited for it. We're gonna ride it and race. We'll see how it does. Everything is off, wheel control, traction control, everything is off. Oh yeah, baby. But oh boy, I really wanted to do this during the day for you guys, but shout out to the boys at SoCal Superbikes. They stayed in extra, they did extra hours to work on this bike to get it done, because you know this is the third time me coming here to get the tune done. I'm excited that it's finally done and the bike is running good. Okay, I literally felt it just from that. Now we're talking. Now this is a tuned bike. The last video or two I took when I told you guys, I don't know, wasn't feeling right, it's because it wasn't really done yet. Holy! What the hell are you doing? Oh, it feels so much better. Remember how I was telling you guys there's like a flat spot down low in the RPMs? It's gone. And I'm pretty sure you guys just heard these pops. Let's go. The beast is unleashed. We got no traction control, no wheelie control, no slide control, nothing. Everything's off. Just a raw ride back. And it's much faster. Gotta let the tires warm up a little bit. I definitely feel it though. The bike feels smoother, the power delivery feels smoother and faster. Right, even in 6th gear, like I feel the power. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now it feels like a tuned bike. Sounds good and it feels good. I need to calm down. This bike is an animal right now. Let's go! I'm so pumped that this bike is running as good as it is right now, making good power and running smooth. Because you know, the goal is always to have your bike running good. You don't want it to run with like a bad air-to-fuel ratio or anything like that. And it's not always about the power. You want the bike to run good, but at the same time make good power, and that's where we're at, and that's why I'm happy with the results. don't know what to do. Bike just got power, dude. I don't even gotta shift gears. It went from 195, what it did last time, to pretty much 210. So 15 more wheel horsepower after the tuning and everything is done. Let's go, baby. I just want to run it in race mode with everything off. Not the smartest idea on such an expensive bike. Oh man, this bike is starting to feel more like the H2 where I just can't go slow on it. The bike just wants to go, you know? It's like, come on, let's go. This is just ready all the time. I'm pretty sure I'm like short shifting like crazy because I'm not used to these like super high revs. Damn, the adrenaline from this little ride. Wish it was during the day. I just want to ride this bike all the time now. See, that's why it's so hard to make content with the other two bikes, because it's a new bike, it's a new feel, you know, getting all these exciting new parts and stuff on it. I just want to ride it everywhere. What a beast. Those shifts are so nice and aggressive. I love it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're as excited as I am. I am sorry that it's dark and late and you guys can't see much. I know this video would have been a lot better if it was during the day, but what can we do? We stayed in after hours. Shout out again to the boys at SoCal Superbikes for helping me out and staying overtime to get this bike running as it should. Super happy with how it came out, and yeah, happy to ride this bike in the future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, ride safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.